solidarity with the women and men who came together to remember Sarah Everard on Clapham Common and were attacked brutally by police. And there's been an inquiry by the police into the police, those who rose up in their thousands.
Yes, this latest bill going through Parliament is just the next in a series of attempts to criminalise all protest. Now, bills that have been passed since the 1970s. This one is more comprehensive because it covers just about any protest that might possibly have any effect in countering the rising injustices in this country. So, for example, the phrases about causing interference or disturbance or excessive noise, I mean, all the activities which are inherent in any effective protest. So our only response can be kill the bill through mass defiance, to make it impossible for the state to enforce these restrictions. So total solidarity with anyone defying the restrictions, to make it impossible for the police to implement these dictatorial powers and make it impossible for the state to intimidate people through these powers, because ultimately the power of repressive laws depend on fear. So from the start now, we must overcome the fear through mass defiance. Thank you.
Racism, an anti-working class organisation created by Robert Peel back in the mid-19th century to keep working people in their place. There's another thing the Tories are really scared about is black and white people coming together to make one big